So guys, first watch the video on the screen. And fruits are talking. They're moving their hands, moving their feet, their mouths are syncing while they speak, and their eyes are blinking just like real animated characters. Yes, this talking fruits niche is going extremely viral right now. Earlier, you may remember there was a marketing fruit niche trend, and after that, this talking object niche has exploded on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. The video you're watching on the screen right now was created today using a free AI tool. I generated these images and videos using Nano Banana together with Kling 3.0. So without wasting any time, guys, let's start the video. First of all, I have already prepared a master prompt for you. Inside this prompt, there are 5 ASMR fruit video prompts. These include fruits like orange, strawberry, apple, banana, grapes, and several others. Using this prompt, we will generate both images and videos. And today, we will not use CapCut, and we will not use ChatGPT either. Instead, we will directly use this prompt for both image generation and video generation. I will place the link in the description. All you need to do is simply open the tool that we are going to use today. The tool is called Higgsfield AI. Higgsfield AI is a very powerful AI platform. As you can see on the screen, it has recently launched several new tools such as Soulcast, Soul Cinema, Higgsfield Audio, and Nano Banana 2. You may already have seen my previous video about Higgsfield Audio, which is their recently launched text-to-speech tool. But Higgsfield is not just a single tool. It actually contains many different AI tools inside one platform. Let me explain further. If we talk about image generation, you will find many different models here, such as Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana Pro, Seedream 5 GPT 1.4, Flux 2, Higsfield Soul 2.0, and Higsfield Soul Cinema. So you have several powerful options for generating images. Now, if we talk about video generation, there are also many powerful models available such as Kling 3.0, Kling 2.6, Kling 3.0 Motion Control, Kling 0.1 Edit, Sora 2, Google Veo 3.1, and Seedance 1.5. There is also another feature called Cinema Studio, where you can create cinematic videos, trailers, and even short AI movies. In addition to that, Higgsfield also includes many other tools like Skin Enhancer, Angle 2.0, Swap, and several other AI features. So guys, today we will start with image generation. First, I go to the image section where you can see Nano Banana Pro. I click on it and open it. After opening it, the first thing you need to do is select the image ratio, such as 16.9 or 9:16. After that, select the model, which in my case is Nano Banana Pro. Next, I go back to the prompt section and copy the first prompt, which is the Apple prompt. Paste that prompt into the generator. One more important thing to remember is that the resolution should stay at 2K. We don't need 4K. After that, simply click Continue. When you click Continue, the system will generate 2 extra images for free. As you can see on the screen, the generation process has already started. In just a few moments, Nano Banana Pro will generate the image for us. Later, I will also explain the difference between Nano Banana 2 and Nano Banana Pro. Now you can see that the first image has started generating, and here is the result. You can see how amazing and beautiful this image looks. Next, we will generate another image. I go back again to the prompt section and copy the banana prompt. Then I come back here and paste it into the generator. The settings remain exactly the same. I simply click Generate again, and the image generation starts. After a short moment, the second image is ready. You can see how super amazing the banana looks. I simply download this image. Now for the next step, we will use another model called Nano Banana 2. I select Nano Banana 2, choose the 16.9 ratio, then go back to the prompts and copy the third prompt, which is the strawberry prompt. I paste it here in Higgsfield and generate the image. Our generation has now started, and in a few seconds the image will be ready. And here is the result. You can see how amazing the strawberry image looks. In terms of quality, Nano Banana 2 actually generates higher quality images compared to Nano Banana Pro because it is the newer model. Next, I generate the remaining images as well using Nano Banana 2 or Nano Banana Pro. I simply copy the next prompt, paste it, and click Generate again. Finally, as you can see on the screen, all of our images have been generated. They look extremely beautiful and high quality. Now all you need to do is download all of these images because the next step will be video generation. So guys, for the next step of video generation, what you need to do is simply go to the video section. In the video section, you will see the option Kling 3.0. You just need to click on it. Once you click it, several options will appear related to image frames. Now what you need to do is upload your first generated image in the Start Frame option. So guys, first I upload the image. After uploading the image, the next step is to go back to the same prompt document and copy the same prompt again. Copy the first prompt and paste it into the prompt box here. Next, select the quality as 1080p and then set the duration to 8 seconds. After that, simply click Generate. As soon as you click Generate, the video generation process will start. Kling 3.0 usually takes 16 credits per generation, but right now it is considered one of the best models available for AI video generation. It produces very high-quality videos. In a few moments, our first video will be ready. I'll skip ahead in the recording for a moment. Now you can see the result in front of you. Preview the video and notice how the apple is talking with sound, moving naturally. The animation looks very beautiful and super amazing. I simply download the video. Now guys, for the next step, we will use another tool called Cinema Studio 2.0, which is well known for creating cinematic-style AI videos on this platform. So I click on Cinema Studio 2.0. After clicking it, I go to the video section. Then I upload the image again as the starting frame. After uploading the image, you will see many options here. But the first step is again to copy the prompt from the prompt document and paste it into the prompt box. Next, you will see the aspect ratio option, which is normally cinematic 16.9, but I will select 9.16 because it works better for short-form platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Even then, it will still generate a cinematic video. After that, you will see the camera flow options. You can choose any camera movement you like, such as dolly right, dolly left, drone shot, upward shot, downward shot, which can go up to 15 seconds. Finally, simply click Generate. As you can see on the screen, the generation has now started. In a few moments, Cinema Studio 2 will generate the cinematic video for us. And here is the final result. You can see how Cinema Studio has created cinematic shots. The video looks super amazing, very beautiful, and very professional. Even though it is only 8 seconds long, it uses multiple cinematic shots to make the video more dynamic. Now what I do is generate the remaining videos for all the fruits, using Kling 3.0 and Kling 2.6. As you can see on the screen, all the videos are now generated. Notice how the strawberry is reacting loudly, the orange is talking with expressions, and the grapes are moving their hands while talking. You can clearly see how amazing the videos look. Kling generated excellent animations, and Cinema Studio 2 also provided very high cinematic quality. So guys, now all our videos are ready. Honestly, Higsfield is one of the best AI tools I have seen so far because it provides almost everything in one platform. You can generate images, videos, text-to-speech, cinematic videos, and even full AI movies. There is also an earning option available, which means you can potentially generate income using the platform as well. If we talk about the pricing plans, currently there is a 25% discount running, especially for Kling 3.0 and Nano Banana 2 unlimited plans. So this is actually a very good offer. You can go to Higgsfield, choose any unlimited plan, create your videos, upload them on YouTube, and potentially make them go viral. So guys, I'll see you in the next video.